you follow me on Instagram, you know it wasn't actually a couple weeks ago. Thought I'd fill you guys in. I felt motivated to pick up the camera again. I guess we were just like really enjoying getting used to the house and like getting things furnished. You guys are on top of the dishwasher, which is definitely not a great sound. Just a lot of literal housekeeping stuff that's been going on. I went out with Annie and Rachel the other day. We went to a vintage store. Didn't buy anything, which is very good for me because usually every single time we go out shopping, I buy something, and it's getting to be a little bit of a problem. I'm trying to save for furniture and stuff like that because I realized that moving is just not cheap by any means. I moved some stuff around because I got the most exciting news ever, that our couch is coming tomorrow. And you guys probably know with like COVID and I don't know actually, maybe it's not like this anywhere else but Canada, because Canada's been on a whole different path throughout this whole situation, but lots of stuff has been delayed. So I was starting to get worried that our couch was like not gonna come. Oh yeah, Rachel and I went to IKEA yesterday actually. Sure, DIY, maybe. I don't know. Ask Rachel. It's not bad.
They're all different. Like this is like I don't remember any of this.
Here we go. Have both hands on the wheel. Knocking things over. One step at a time. I picked up actually more than I thought. The fake plants were superb. 10 out of 10 would recommend, and very good price. We got a rug for the dining room. The chairs came in last week. They're just from Structube. I think our long-term plan is to actually knock out this wall right here, do a new kitchen, because obviously this kitchen hasn't seen a facelift in her whole entire life. Nothing wrong with that. Born a natural beauty, but we're probably gonna do that at some point when these appliances fizzle out. Just makes sense. And the dining room, we just want to have something like temporary, something cool, like inviting. I feel like younger people don't really use dining rooms that often, so I wanted to make it like a cool space where I could work and all that other kind of stuff. So that's coming together. Daniel and I went to Starbucks today. We tried some fall drinks, which, let me just, apple macchiato.
I don't know what this is.
Interesting. There's a tiny bit of dairy, I think, in the foam.
That's really good.
Oh my god.
This is interesting.
This is the winner, but this is still good.
It's good, dude. He's gonna
That's what's on tap tomorrow. The sofa's coming, and I'm gonna give you guys the big grand living room reveal, which I'm so excited about because I feel like that's the room that we're the most passionate about in this house. And then we'll be on to the bedroom, I guess, like next month once we've wrapped up this little project. Welcome to our living room. So things are a little bit more complete now than they were when the sofa arrived. That was a bit of a disaster. This is the chair that I picked up from IKEA. It was like $99, something like that. Really super easy to put together. It really ended up giving me a second one of my favorite blankets, so I figured it looks really nice there anyways. And this chair has actually come in quite clutch when we have extra people coming over. Okay, so this is our Facebook Marketplace find. I already showed it in a vlog, but it's definitely a lot more empty than it is now. We kind of use it as a bar cart with some like accent books. I thrifted this one. thrifted the New York one. Pretty much all the glassware, yeah, all the glassware is thrifted. My good friend Laura got me this book, which I'm obsessed with. Love the cover. Super fun, and literally every single page is something more beautiful. Like, okay, there we go, that's the vibe for today. Our good friend Marty got us this record player. We love it, and I have my PC Musgraves purple vinyl on top. This is from IKEA. You guys saw me get it in the vlog. This rug is from Essence. I thought it was gonna be a little bigger, but I still think it's kind of cool and ties everything together over here. At night, this is, you know, the vibe. We got the sunset lamp going. This mirror, which a lot of you guys asked me about on Instagram, it is from CB2. No, it's from Crate & Barrel. I always get them mixed up. But this is the first piece that I found for the living room that I was like, oh, we need that. I wanted like a curved mirror, but I didn't want the standard arch because so many people have it. And I liked that it had, I believe this is oak, and there's a lot of wood going on in here, so we love that. My mom actually found this on the side of the road, which was a great curbside stooping find by her. I just really like the chrome frame because I want to add more chrome into the space eventually. Do you want to tell them about your chair?
This is my prized possession. It's a Huber Scoop teak chair, and it's good.
And it was reupholstered.
We got it in Grimsby, Ontario. So
I've seen the vlog as well.
I love it because look at the shape. You walk into the room, you walk into the house, it's the first thing you see, that shape. Ooh.
Moving on to the floor. This rug is from Pottery Barn. It was on sale. It's a wool rug. Really, really good. Sheds a little bit, but it was a freaking steal, and we knew we wanted like to add some blue cool tones in because the wood is definitely a little bit on the warmer side. For now, this is the only table we have in here. This is from our old place. It was a floor model from West Elm that we got many years ago now, I guess. It's definitely seen better days at this point because we've eaten on it. It was our TV stand at one point. It's been a whole bunch of things. It's played many roles, but I would like to switch this up eventually. However, coffee tables are really expensive, so this one just, it worked, and it houses all of our little baby corns, which is important. And this is our sofa. I couldn't be more happy with this sofa. Are you happy with this sofa?
I love this sofa. It is so good, and I am very happy with everything my girlfriend suggests.
Anyways, we've both fallen asleep on here multiple times. It comes with every single one of these pillows that you guys see. So a lot of the times we actually just have it without the two back ones, and it's really nice and like loungy. But however, if we're having people over and we are having drinks and stuff, this kind of keeps you sitting a little bit more upright, a little bit more proper. It's $5 cables.
Oh yeah, shout out to Jem.
Shout out to Jem. They installed this. You can't even really tell it's here. A lot of people don't realize it. We like to talk about it because it's kind of fancy. But yeah, the TV that we've had for a long time, I'll put it in.
Wait, did you just say the Raceway is fancy?
Yeah. Anyways,
Okay.
In here, this is temporary too. I used to have my candle holders in here, but I want to stack it with a bunch of books. And I also want to remove these doors at some point, but that'll happen down the road.
I'd like to put a gas fireplace in there.
Yeah, that's the long-term goal. But I'm just saying in the meantime, it could be nice to like do the candle thing in there, big candle. And then we have my little family pass down that I'm obsessed with. The lights go on. I'll show you guys on the TikTok. This is gonna go back into my office. It's just here temporarily. It's fun to have lots of lights on when we have people over. Have a little disco. This chair is actually from Daniel's old office. It's gonna be going. We're looking for a replacement. We just have a lot of brown going on in the room, as I've already said, so I'd like to do either like a black chair or a white chair and something with like silver, so we can add some more like modern elements, because we truly just want to have a mixture of things going on in here. The blankets, this one's from our good friend Annie. This one is the same one that's over there. And then this lamp is something that I'm needing to get around to as well. I found it on Facebook for $50, so I saw it, I had to scoop it. I didn't love the color of it because someone painted it gray. You can see it at the top. It's not like a great professional job, and the frame or the shade is a little bit wonky, but I figured during the spring or whatever, I could just take some.
A nice off-white, similar to the blanket. Yeah? Yeah?
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
Yeah.
I've spoken about this a million times. This room is not done. Please feel free to leave your thoughts, comments, suggestions, feedback, whatever it is down below, because, you know, it's all appreciated. We are, as I said, kind of took a pause on this because we want to start the bedroom up, but I love this room. It's my favorite room in the house so far, probably because it's the only one we've worked on, but the amount of natural light it gets, even on a day like today where it's raining all day, is incredible. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I'll link everything that I possibly can down below, and I will see you all in the next one.